So welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. This is Amandeep Singh, and today's question of the day is uh, okay. Let k belongs to close from zero and open from infinity be a real number such that fkt function represented as fkt in a subscript there is k. Okay, so it is t to the power k sine 1 upon t, and t is not equal to 0. 0 from where t is equal to 0. Okay, when t is equal to 0. So a set A is represented as k close interval from 0 and open from infinity f k is differentiable. Then A is equal to, okay, then A is equal to, basically in such question we want to find for how many values of k the function fk is differentiable. Okay, for how many values of k the function fk is differentiable. For that we use the definition of differentiable. Okay, we have to check for how many values of k this fkt or means this fk is differentiable. So for such we have to know the definition of differentiable. So it is limit h approaches to 0 fk fk of t minus f. I can say that if I check at 0, so limit h approaches to 0 f of 0 plus h minus f of 0 plus 0 plus h minus 0. Okay, this is the definition of differentiability. Okay, so now we put this function in here. Okay, so this means it is fh minus f0 upon h. Okay, so exactly this function will be limit h approaches to 0. What is the value of hs? It is hk sine 1 upon h. And what is the value of 0 f0? It is 0. Okay, upon h. Okay, so now limit h approaches to 0 will become hk minus 1 sine 1 upon h. Now we will interested to find uh, how many values of k this function is differentiable, or I can say that how many values of k this particular function is exist. Okay, for limit h approaches to 0 this particular function is exist. For that uh, I know कि the h should not be in denominator. Okay, because when h is in denominator then function is like that. Okay, means this is definitely it is bounded function. Definitely it is bounded. Then we can say that its limit is definitely exist. Okay, or I can also say that I can use a particular method like sine 1 upon h or 1 upon h is equal to 1. Okay, means we should note that uh, h should not be in denominator. Okay, so for which value h be in denominator? Okay, when we put k, is less than 1, when we put k is less than 1, then value will be definitely in denominator, because k minus 1 is equal to 0. Here k minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, is less than 0, sorry. When value is negative then definitely this function will be in denominator. Okay, this function will be in denominator when value will be negative. Okay, like that. So our function will not be exist. So we should note that k minus 1 is greater than equal to 0 for such value. Okay, if k minus 1 is greater than equal to 0 then value will definitely exist. Okay, then value will definitely exist. So so therefore k is greater than equal to 1, so value will be k greater than equal to 1. Okay, so when we put the value k is greater than equal to 1, like when we put k is equal to 2, then it will become h 2 minus 1 sine 1 upon h, means h sine 1 upon h. So it will become sine 1 upon h, 1 upon h, it is 1. So definitely it is exist. So we should not value will be k greater than equal to 1. Okay, So our answer will be k greater than equal to 1 means in such type of function I can write it as 1 close interval 1 to open interval infinity. So it is my answer. So a is equal to close from 1 and open from infinity. So thank you friends.